So what are oceans? It's a large body of saline water that covers 71% of the earth. It ranges from 30 to 35 ppt, and the ocean meets at least two continents. Oh, types of oceans. We have the Pacific Ocean. This is the biggest ocean and it borders four continents. It's actually as deep as 35,937 feet, and it covers 32.4 of the Earth's surface. Now move to Atlantic Ocean. This is the second largest. The second largest and is bounded by Europe and Africa with a depth of 30,246 feet. Next, we have the Indian Ocean, and this is the third biggest with a depth of 24,460 feet, and it covers 14% of the Earth's surface. Next, we have the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is the fourth largest and is very close to the Antarctica. It covers 4.2% of the Earth's surface with depth of 23,737 feet. And last, we have the Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean in the world. It's a depth of 18,456 feet and covers 2.8% of the Earth's surface. So, trenches in the ocean, we have Mariana Trench for Pacific, Puerto Rico Trench for Atlantic. We have Java for Indian, and there's no discovered one for Southern, and Molo Deep for Arctic. Thanks for watching.